To take screenshot on Realme 14 Pro Plus, you can do it in a couple of different ways. I will quickly show you the fastest ways to take a screenshot. The first one is you have to simply press simultaneously the power button and the volume down button. As you do this, just press them. Here is our screenshot, and that's one of the quickest way to do this. And additionally, you can also do it by going into your quick settings right here, and here you will have to find the screenshot. You can additionally just put this button somewhere near here and simply tap on this button to make a screenshot. And additionally, you can make a partial screenshot or scroll screenshot by tapping on this text right here on the screenshot text, and here you can change take the different screenshots. And also you can take this gesture screenshot, but you will have to go into the settings first, and from here you have to scroll all the way down and go for the accessibility and convenience, and from here go for the screenshot. And here you can find these instructions of how to do these screenshots. Here you can toggle them to turn them on or off these gesture screenshots, and yeah, that's basically how to do this.